JDZG Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. JIADE Limited, the great 0.6% correction. Man, this is melting. This is really cooked. If I come out here, well, look, wait, let me show you before. Right, a video was made on 4th of May, like 5 days back. Yeah, I just looked to kind of milk it out, and guess what happened? That's exactly what has been going on. It was sitting at 75 cents at that at that exact time. Now it's not there. It is actually 54, and I'm looking to clear the lows out at around 46 or something. So not financial advice, just still following this, and really nothing to force. I do have, I'm not sure if there's like that in the Discord server, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating making 10K months without indicators, just 1 to 2 hours per day, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.